Thank you for sharing your thoughts, Miss Yulin Castro, about your recent visit to Coffee Break. We appreciate all feedback as it helps us learn and improve. However, we were taken aback by the strong and explicit words or language used in review. While we understand that not everyone will share the same taste, we believe that constructive criticism can always be communicated respectfully. We're proud of the work our team puts into creating a positive experience for every guest, and language that crosses the line can be disheartening. Not only to us, but to the people who work hard every day to serve our customers. Grabe, ang sakit nito mga kahombre ko.
Bring it on. Bring it the fuck on, man.
Coffee Break has been serving coffee lovers for 20 years. And while we recognize there is always room for improvement, we've never received an insulting feedback such as yours. If you had shared your concerns with our staff during your visit, we would have been more than happy to enhance your food or drinks to your liking. We truly value guest satisfaction and do our best to accommodate preferences whenever possible. And we will remain committed to providing a warm, satisfying experience to every guest and to continuously grow from feedback shared with sincerity and respect.